And here we see the wild Tilly. She's here for the interview with Bird. Actually, I don't know where Bird is. Bird, get up. What? What? I'm Bird. Oh, you brought a dog? Out of all creatures, dogs are truly the worst. They have tried to kill me. I will fly over. What are you? You're sitting. Maybe you are not so vicious after all. This is Tilly, Bird. What? This is Tilly. Okay. Hi, Tilly.
Hi. Hi, it's okay. It's okay.
You need to practice being away from your sister. You know that. You know that. You know that. You know that. So, Tilly, what's it like being the biggest dog? Because you are the biggest dog. Bird is scared. Bird does not like Tilly. Tilly likes the door. Oh, Bird, run, run, run,